Okay, it's been a little bit of a busy morning. Sorry about the confusion. I thought we were okay to use the 10th edition for the summer. It turns out the publisher wouldn't let us use the programming, so we had to move to the 11th, and I just found out this morning. Thank you to Christine, who notified me first thing this morning that there was an issue. So I've made updates to the class since the orientation video. You can see over here on the left it says Module 10. That is the 10th edition book. So the modules underneath it will be used only if you have the 10th edition. Now, if you have the 11th edition, you scroll down and here is your modules with all the assignments in it, as well as the link to the book. Now, the link to the book is only for the 11th edition. I can't bring in the 10th too. If you have the 10th, great. But you shouldn't have. I'm assuming everyone's going to have the 11th because it was the only thing that was available. If you do have the 10th, I ask that you email me and let me know. But when you click on the Essentials book, if you want to look at the PowerPoints and stuff, you can use this link, but here's each individual chapter. The only thing that is not posted at this time is the module tests, which you don't take for a couple of days, so be working on the other assignments first. Okay, so the first thing, if I have the 11th edition, I'm going to go into Module 1 here under the 11, and I will see, you're going to see some assignments on my screen that aren't on yours because I took them out. For example, the understanding of the communication process. But the secrets of body language is there, and so on down. Okay, so the only thing you need that isn't posted yet is the Module 1 assessments, and I will notify you as soon as that's done.